2-inch thick cotton pad, dirty dice. These floors are dry already. And this is set soil extraction transfer technology. Look, the laminate floors are completely dry. Let's try to take a look at the pad here. Wow, look at that. This is a cotton pad. That's part of the extraction process. And this is an Orboset machine. This is also known as a OPP machine, oscillating penetrative pad machine. So this is an Orboset extractor. We extract the water-soluble soil that's on the floor surface. You can see, I mean, they look great. Just look at them. They look great. And one thing that's unique about this process is floors dry almost on contact. When we use this special cotton pad, it's a very absorbent and aggressive pad. We can extract the water-soluble soil that's on this floor, and that's a beautiful thing. So keep in mind, this is an Orboset machine. We have different types of Orboset machines. We have large and small ones. This is one of our smaller ones. But we have a large one, a mid-sized one, and this is the small one. This small Orboset extractor still packs quite a punch. Does an amazing job. And this is available in Tallahassee. I'm the only one that has perfected this type of cleaning in town. There is no other cleaner other than me unless they're gonna watch some of my videos and follow, but I have the timestamp videos to prove that I was the first one. I brought this legendary, revolutionary approach to Tallahassee, and this does a great job for your floors.